Arey Jason, I am in Kingston.
You might have seen Papa's intro in the previous vlog, but today I'm going to show you the whole vlog where we went to Kingston with Papa. Going to Kingston by bus itself is a long journey of almost 45 minutes to 1 hour. By the time we reached Kingston, we were very hungry, so we thought of having McD, which is mine and Bush's favorite place to eat, and also some tea and some pastries from that cafe in the church.
So currently we are in Kingston and I got Aloma here. She's come here for the first time. This is a place where I used to come to spend most of my time here. Then I introduced Ashu to this place and then we used to sit down and discuss about Aloma being with us, and we like when Aloma comes we're going to bring her here. So Ashu, I bought Aloma here. I know she is with us right now in this breeze and everything. So I can sense her presence here.
Papa, cash लागल तो किंगस्टन cash लगा था.
Arey, coffee pin and whistle.
We went on the other side of the Thames River because we had come prepared for a picnic.
Picnic, and these people are trying to assemble the tent. For what reason? I don't understand. Fold it and put it back now.
After struggling for 15 minutes, we finally settled down, and this place is real heaven. Reminded me of the days when we used to go to Old Goa with food and our family, and we used to have a good time there. We also played some cards game, and this is how it went.
सांगा होता.
Tasty.
हाँ? तो पापा ओढ.
Come here.
कार्ड ओढ इधर आओ. याचं.
Come.
ये दाखा ये बाहेर चले.
Before sunset, we took the last picture near the phone booth and called it a day.